attention to us. They don't know we're here.
Mm-hmm.
Let's all turn on our flashlights. Just run at them.
Ooh. Can we? When we see him?
I don't have a flashlight.
You can hit him with your Mosin while he's aiming at us.
Yeah.
Bro, if only we had proximity chat, we just like fucking screech as we run at him.
Like a fucking war cry.
What do we call ourselves? What's our squad name?
The retards. I don't know.
The Blue Falcons. Who's running?
Not us.
Oh, fuck me. So if I die, it's
Where
on
is
your
he?
ass. Okay.
Where are you?
Behind you somewhere? Where you dropped, I dropped behind you, shortly to the left?
Oh, I moved up.
You have a headset on, Alec?
Yes.
Okay, he might actually hear it before we do.
Oh,
I haven't
I just heard a step.
I
You
see a
think
guy
what-
running. That dude is
Yeah,
loaded.
That's him. That's him.
He is loaded,
Grenade
loaded.
Going in.
Yeah, let's run.
Get him!
Go.
Flashlight on! I'm going!
Go. Get him, boys.
Fucking hell yeah, baby.
Where you at? Let's get him!
Where's he at?
I don't know.
He's over here to the left, somewhere by the bus or some shit. Woo! Give us the loot, boy.
Take bushes.
He's
Yeah,
around this
he's right.
motherfucker.
Where'd he go? Oh, there he is. Get him.
Got him! He's dead! Fuck off my loot! All of you! Fuck off my loot!
Oh my god.
Yeah, I got him. I checked his tag and everything.